Hello, marketing students. This is going to be an introduction into screen recording and video recording on your computer. So the first thing that you're going to need to do this is go to Google and search for Open Broadcast Software. Here you'll find this link and you can just go directly to the download page. Select your operating system. Now I'm Windows, so I'll go ahead and download the installer. Now you'll wait for this to finish, and when it's done, you should be able to just run it directly. Now we can go ahead and minimize this tab, and we'll get the installer here. We'll next through this installer, and wait for Open Broadcast Software to be installed. Once OBS is installed, you will be able to record a portion of your screen, as well as display yourself via webcam. So now we have seen that it's completed installing, and we'll go ahead and finish. And it will launch Open Broadcast Software. So right here, we will get this prompt window. And now I'll go ahead and say I will be using this for just recording and not streaming. You can just leave these at the defaults and then apply settings. Now, in order to record a certain portion of your screen, you're going to want to click this plus button right here, and I'll name this Desktop Screen 1. From there, I've created a screen, and now I need to add a source. So I'll click a plus here, and I'll click Display Capture, and I'll call this Monitor 1. At this point in time, it's going to show me what this looks like. And now I have a window that will record everything that's on this current desktop. I could click Start Recording if I wanted to include just this, but most of you will want to include a webcam as well. Now in order to do that, you just click plus again, and you'd give a video capture device here. Now I don't have one installed, but I'll call this Webcam 1. And I actually do not have a webcam on my computer currently. So in your case, you would see a device here, and it would automatically configure that video for you, and it would show it for you. So had I had one installed, this would be showing my me through the webcam, and I would go ahead and resize that down into the corner. At this point, I could start recording my screen, and then share a PowerPoint. And OBS will record everything on the screen, and additionally, it would show me in that bottom right corner, right here, had I had a webcam. That is how you can easily record your screen, and I will follow up with some information about how you can cut video easily.